What if I told you that a Faceless account is pulling in millions of views just by posting dancing noodles and leaves? No camera, no mic, just free AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these weirdly viral videos that could help you get monetized faster than you ever imagined. And the best part? You don't need any experience. I'll walk you through every step from generating viral-worthy images to turning them into scroll-stopping videos using completely free tools. If you've ever wanted to blow up online without showing your face, this is your moment. So grab your coffee, stay with me till the end, and let's turn dancing noodles into digital gold. Trust me, this might be the most fun you've ever had creating content. Alright, let's start with what makes these videos go viral: the visuals. We're talking dancing noodles and dancing leaves, but not just any images. We want them to be fun, animated, and eye-catching. And to get the perfect look, we need the right prompts. So, open up ChatGPT and type something like this. Write a prompt to generate a noodle character dancing joyfully with arms and legs in a colorful background for AI image generation. Boom! ChatGPT gives you a high-quality, detailed prompt you can use right away. Copy that and save it. Next, let's do the same for dancing leaves. Write a prompt to generate two green leaf figures dancing in the rain like a couple, with cute cartoon expressions and a vibrant background. Look at that! Super creative and on trend. Pro tip: save your best prompts in Google Docs so you can reuse them anytime, or just ask ChatGPT to remix them for fresh ideas. Now that we have our prompts, it's time to turn them into actual images. You've got a few options here. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can generate images directly inside ChatGPT. Just paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and watch the magic happen. But if you're not using ChatGPT Plus, don't worry, I've got you covered with a 100% free tool, Leonardo AI. Here's how to do it. Go to Leonardo AI and sign up for a free account. You'll get 150 free tokens every day, which is more than enough for this project. Head to the Image Generation tab. Choose Phoenix as your model. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikToks. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Click Generate. Leonardo gives you 4 images each time. Pick the best ones and download them. Repeat this process to get a nice collection of different noodle and leaf dancing images. Now, my favorite tool for turning these stunning images into mesmerizing, animated videos is Kling AI. It's an incredible tool that lets you create up to 3 video generations per day. Perfect for making multiple animations without restrictions. Here's how you can use Kling AI to bring your images to life. Sign up or log in to Kling AI. Head over to Kling AI and either create a new account or log in to your existing one. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and click on the option to upload your image. This is the static image you previously generated, such as dancing noodles or dancing leaves. 3. Add your animation prompt. After uploading your image, you'll need to add a prompt. This prompt is slightly different from the one you used to generate the still image. The animation prompt is what will turn your image into a moving video, such as the noodles dancing or the leaves swaying in the rain. Once your animation prompt is added, click on Generate. Kling AI will process your image and turn it into a captivating animated video. If you're curious about the exact prompts I used for both image generation and animation, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll share the link to my Google document with the prompts I've used. This document contains both the static image prompts and the animation prompts, giving you everything you need to create your own eye-catching videos. Now that you have your animated clips ready, it's time to bring everything together and create a polished video. Open up CapCut, a free video editing tool, and import your dancing noodle and leaf clips. Drag each clip onto the timeline and arrange them to create a smooth flow. You want to keep the energy up, so use as many clips as possible to create a longer video. Go to the transition section and pick one that flows well with your video. Apply effects like the glow or sparkle effect to make the dancing noodles and leaves pop. You can even experiment with color grading to enhance the visuals and give the video a vibrant, eye-catching look. Music is key to making your video even more engaging. Use trending music for Instagram or TikTok if you're posting there, but make sure to go with copyright-free music for YouTube. CapCut has a great selection to choose from, or you can upload your own. Once your video looks good, hit export and you're ready to post. Share your video on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to reach a wide audience and start getting those views. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating viral dancing videos using AI-generated images. It's free, easy, and fun to do. Now, it's your turn to jump on this trend and start creating content that could skyrocket your views and followers. But that's not all. If you want to take your content creation to the next level, be sure to check out my other videos where I show you how to create talking, moving AI avatars that make gestures, plus several other mind-blowing tutorials on generating AI content that will truly wow your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing AI tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you grow your online presence. Got any questions or need help? Drop a comment below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.